The Seagull by Liam O'Flaherty. The story is about a young seagull that is afraid to fly for the first time. The seagull lives with its family on a cliff and is dependent on them for food and safety. It has seen its parents and siblings fly and soar through the sky, but it's too afraid to leave the comfort of its nest. The young seagull's fear of flying stems from the fact that it is unsure of its ability to fly and is frightened of falling. It stays in the nest waiting for food from its parents. However, the seagull's parents want to encourage their child to become independent and leave the nest. They stop bringing food to the young seagull in an effort to force it to fly and find its own food. Hungry and desperate, the seagull finally gathers the courage to take the plunge and spread its wings. It hesitates for a moment, but in an instant it flies for the first time. The seagull discovers that it can fly and feels a sense of freedom and exhilaration. It realizes that the world is vast and it can now soar like the other seagulls. The story symbolizes the journey of personal growth, independence, and overcoming one's fears. It teaches the lesson that stepping out of one's comfort zone and taking risks can lead to great rewards. Moral: overcoming fear and taking risks is essential for personal growth and independence. The seagull's journey from fear to flight teaches us that growth comes from stepping out of our comfort zones. Just as the seagull had to leave the safety of the nest to learn to fly, we too must face our fears and take risks to grow and achieve our full potential. Independence and self-reliance are important. The seagull's parents, by not providing food, pushed the young one to take action and become independent. This symbolizes that sometimes we need to push to become self-sufficient and responsible. Fear is natural, but it can be overcome. Like the young seagull, we may feel afraid when faced with new challenges, but it's only by confronting those fears that we can experience freedom, success, and fulfillment.